Alright, so pressing on with finishing the wheel. I don't think I'm going to go ahead and do all of it here. I'm just going to do around this weld because masking this whole thing is a big pain in the butt. So I'll go ahead and get that squared away, wait for some paint to dry, and then mount the wheel to the bike. And hopefully we don't have that problem again. Alright, I have gotten the wheel painted in that little spot, and also put on the little rubber guard, and I'm going to go ahead and throw the tire on and try to get that wheel on and try to get it going. Alright. So I think I'm going to add another link in that chain. I might actually just swap out the chain. I have another one. I'm going to add another link because it needs to be just a little bit longer, just so I can, one, the tire's a little wide, and I need the tire back, further back from the rear, in the rear stays, so it could fit there. Plus, every time I try to tighten it, the chain on the motorized side tightens too much, and I get too much slack on the right side. So add one more link and pull it back just a little bit. I got like an inch of room to move back, so we'll see how that works. got this problem. It's kind of a problem I had before. It's kind of frustrating. So it's the problem we have when you get these motorized bikes and you add another chain on the other side and you don't have chain adjusters. So part of the issue is this, perfect. Tension's great, no problem. This side, I added a link, but still this is the issue. So it's difficult because you have to find that happy medium, and that happy medium was too far forward with me, so I got to find it. Like one link changes like a ½ inch or more, so I got to figure that out. Probably be taking a break for a minute to figure it out.